Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 6th episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamonds. And alam nyo ba na unti-unti na tayong mas pinakikilig ng series na to. Like, it's giving already. Like, paulit-ulit yung sinasabi na they have a chemistry talaga and guys, kikiligin talaga tayo sa kanila. Like, si Aubrey pa ba? Si Sam and Lance pa ba to? Si Sam and si Clyden pa ba to? Kasi mapapaisip ka na talaga. So, ayoko na magdaldal. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, eto na magsa-start na ako pero parang bumaba yung tripod ko dito. Eto na. Oh, may mama chip-chip. Ayan. Okay. Oo nga naman. Paano mo masasabi yun kung nafo-fall ka na?
Seryoso ba siya? Or is he just messing with you?
Diba? Ay, mag-focus sa akin ng camera, guys.
He is serious. Honestly,
Sana all
I don't
seryoso.
know how to answer that. Because I haven't fallen in love.
Really? Why? I mean, if you don't mind me asking.
I've had a boyfriend before, dated a few guys. But I never really felt what I thought love should be. The kind of love I saw my friends go through.
So, anong klase?
Kasi wala pa si Clyde nun, di ba? Ngayon pa lang siya dumating.
Alex, kapag pinaiyak mo yan sa lugar, kapag mo talaga sa akin. Ay, magpusukan!
I will not. I promise.
Hey, makikinig ka ba? Gaga, hindi. Ang ganda-ganda ko sa video.
Talaga ba yan, ha?
A kind of love that's hard to explain. I can put it in words.
Grabe. Eto na. Gusto ko yung mga gantong moments na alam mo yung hindi pinapahaba ni Direk pero binibigay niya lahat yung details na kailangan natin kasi ito yung nasa book. Like, ang hindi ko lang gusto dito is yung sounds. Hello, hello copyright. Pero sana naman hindi siya ma-copyright. No, 'di ba? Super supportive talaga ni Clyden kay Sam. Like, loko. Sana all may nagdadala ng pagkain, di ba pagka ganyan? Habang busy ka sa schoolworks, merong doktor. Doktor na nag-aalaga. Di ba?
What's your price for bukas?
Kaya mo yan. Ito, friends.
Sana hindi talaga naririnig.
Wow. Ako may gusto kong tigla.
Hmm? May taga-timpla na din si Clyde ng kape niya. 'Di ba? Si Sam may tagaluto. Ngayon, si Clyde din taga-timpla ng kape niya. Ano niyo? Ito na yan. Ito na. This is your story, Sam. Finally, your love story. Hindi na side story ka na lang or side, parang nakangiti lang ako the whole time dito sa episode na to, ha? Like, ayan na.
Sayang na. Back-to-back lectures kami sa lab.
I spent hours in the lab doing research for my thesis.
Graduating na nga pala din si Sam. So, working na siya after.
Para sa akin,
Aww.
ER kit, emergency relaxation. Wow.
A little something to help you relax.
talaga siya. Sobrang, oh, ay, may pa-topless na, yes, Sam. I'm glad they listened to the fans kasi pinalitan nila talaga yung specs ni Lance dito. Not unlike dun sa unang pinakita nila, yung sa look test ba yun, na ang kapal nung lens niya, which is, yung frame niya, which is, yun talaga yung salamin niya pala talaga. Kasi from last night's live nila, yun yung suot niya, yung makapal. So, ang taas ng grado ng mata niya. Wait. Ayan yung dugo. Di ba sinisip-sip yan? Pala yun. Para gumaling agad. Ikikis yung kamay. Nice. So, ito na nga. True. Sino ba naman yung gusto lalo na kung nasa prominent family ka. Gusto mo syempre may patunayan ka na, nakapunta ako dito sa possession ka na to because on my own, 'di ba? Alam niya yung gusto niya pero hindi niya alam kung paano ikakaskade or kung paano isasabuhay sa buhay niya. Yeah, true. We'll never know, not until we try.
Parents na naman. What about you?
True. Kasi at the end of the day, on the long run, kapag wala na yung parents mo, syempre ikaw na lang mag-isa. So yung choices mo sa buhay, ayusin mo. Kasi mahirap magkaroon ng regrets when it comes to bakit hindi ko to ginawa, bakit hindi ko to trinay. And I can relate so much kay Sam. Kasi though I like naman what my course is, bakit ba ako nagpe-pet TED Talk dito? But anyways, yun. Ang dami talagang matututunan dito sa universe series kasi iba-ibang klaseng tao and according to Guy, it's different perspective from real people talaga. Hindi naman niya basta inaano to, ganon. Oh, sana all my pack lunch. Sana all.
Madali lang yun.
Talaga ba?
Pabalik ka pa.
Talaga, paano gumawa ng sushi? Hindi ka naman chef, doktor ka. Napasaba ka tuloy.
Uy, ang ganda yata ng mood ni Sam.
Alam mo, gusto ko rin yung isa niyang friend, yung nakakita sa kanila sa resto. Hindi siya nagsalita.
She's fallen so in love.
Aww.
Be careful, huh?
Sam being an ate.
Suddenly, pupunta siya dito just to pick up a fight?
Eh malamang narinig niya.
Problem. After that? I was just cut it out. Stop meddling in my life.
Alam niyo, ang bigat nung scenes nilang dalawa ni Sam. Hindi ko alam na mas masakit pala siya kapag nakikita mo ng pinapanood mo. Not unlike pag binabasa mo. Kasi meron ng tao talaga na nagpo-portray dun sa book. Sobrang dagger yun sa puso mo. Stop being a sister, hindi bagay sa'yo. Ang galing ni Abby. Like,
Something that will suit you. Make sure you look elegant.
kainis din yung role ni Claudine Barreto dito eh. Alam mo yung,
I don't wanna.
send mo na.
I feel tired.
Hala, ito yata yung biglang susugod si Yana. Ito na ba yung malalaman nila na buntis si Yana? Feeling ko, oo, yun na yun. Oo, ito na yun, yung condo scene.
Sorry, the wrong side. How are you?
Ayan na nga yun. Sumugod na si Yana. Sana hindi naririnig yung aso dun sa background ko kasi yung aso ng kapitbahay ang ingay.
Should I tell them?
Oo.
Masira yung vibe. Nothing. Just some small stuff.
Ayan na! Ito na yung si Yana.
What the hell are you doing here? Are you alone?
Ang galing lang ng transition pero mapapansin mo kasi dun sa hair.
Nagpas na ako, nagmadali na ako nung nareceive ko yung text mo. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Okay ka lang ba?
Yung hair kasi.
God, Yana, daw ang barkada is here. Kain. Kala ko yung pagkain. You wanna come in? Girls. Yana. Oh, buhay ka pa pala. Hindi ka man lang nagpaparamdam.
Aww.
Sorry. Nagkamali.
Hmm. Sana yung sinisevi?
For suffering alone and pretended. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry, hindi ko nasabi kaagad sa inyo kasi baka pagalitan niyo ako. Natatakot ako kasi baka sabihin niyo sa akin dapat in-expect ko na to. No, Yana, sorry. Sorry kasi naramdaman mo na you had to hide your pregnancy from us. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko rin kasi anong gagawin ko eh. Sinundan. Never mind. Ate, ikaw ang buka mo na. Importante yun. Ikaw ang buka mo. Ikaw. Tandaan ha. Ay. Cheers. Sabi muna. Hindi pa ako pwede mag-alak eh. Never comment. Sabi mo kasi pumunti eh. Alam mo naman, sa lahat ng naranasan ko pa, wala pati kita. Kaya hindi pwede wala ako sa tabi. Pagod. Basta,
Ako din pagod na.
makinig ako. Si Naomi. I heard some girls were backstabbing her, so I confronted them. She saw me doing that and she interpreted it na
Hindi ko alam pero guys, naiiyak ako. The way magkwento si Sam kay kay
ate ka.
Yana.
Alam mo, darating yung araw, mag-iintindihan din kita. Basta huwag kang magsawa maging kapatid, ha?
Sobrang roller coaster ng episode na to ha. Masyado siyang masaya.
Hoy, sumasagot. May issue kasi ng life, no? Well, there's no issue. It's more of a me problem. Sai said he thinks na he's already falling in love with me. Ano eh? Ano problema? But I'm also
Confused. Oh, ba't hindi ka umamin?
perfect. You're falling in love with each other. But I'm afraid of getting hurt. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko yung heartbreak if it doesn't work out.
Kakayanin mo yun.
Eh, bakit naman yung ending agad iniisip mo? Hindi mo pwedeng enjoy mo muna yung
True.
naman in love?
Ang sarap kaya may love, pero ang hirap masaktan.
Masarap mahalin. Kung gusto mo siya, mamit ka. Kung papatagal mo pa, baka oras yung mawala sa inyo.
True.
At yun ang pinakamahal na sa lahat. I really need to see you. Hindi ko! Puntahan mo siya! Thank you. Uy, saan ka
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na.
Akala ko di ka uuwi.
Well, I'm here now.
Are you okay?
I'm tired.
I'm here. What's your problem?
Yeah, I just wanna come home. To my home.
Oh, I just want God to my home.
Who's that?
My mom. She's just going to remind me about that event on Saturday.
What event?
A party for one of our business partners. Wala ko sa mood pumunta.
Then don't go.
But my mom will be disappointed if I don't go.
If I go with you, will it make this party less miserable?
100%.
Sasamahan na kita.
Sana all may sasama sa mga ganyan, di ba?
AL.
Talaga? Thank you. And it's Naomi's birthday then this Saturday, so can we drop by our house and visit her weekend personally?
Yeah, of course.
Go.
Pero we better sleep now. It's getting late na din.
Yeah. Kailangan ko rin gumising ng aga tomorrow kasi Yana visited and kailangan ko siyang ihatid sa Nueva Ecija.
Okay. I'm gonna go downstairs na.
Side.
Yes?
Should I say it? Aamin na ba ako? I appreciate everything you do.
Ano ba yan, Sam? Napaka-torpe mo?
I appreciate everything that you do. Mawi kapag tayo na. Sa master's bedroom na tayo matutulog.
Siguro.
I mean, yeah.
Pwede naman.
Gusto. Rest well, okay? Good night.
Good night.
Hindi na umamin.
Sai?
Oh,
Hey,
aga mo ah.
di ba sabi ko sa'yo I have to go back sa condo? Siyahatid ko pa si Yana.
Oh, bawalin mo to.
Sushi?
Yeah.
Oo.
Yung request mo.
This is my fave. Ikaw, mukhang legit sushi ah.
Wala naman.
Tagal mo na ginagawa to, no?
Oh, matagal na.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Basic.
For sure, di ako magugutom ito sa biyahe.
You're welcome. Wait. May kulang pa yan. Kaya natin dito.
Grabe naman pa mag-alaga yung isang Clyden.
Or yan.
Clyden Ramirez. Iba talaga mag-alaga ang university boys.
Thank you. Sige, totoo na.
Drive safe. Bye. Ingat.
Buntis, doon ka na muna. Ako na dyan. Sige na. Ano? Gadak to kung dilit kayo hiwalay. Buntis ka rin. Ay, taka. Grabe na. Ano itong buntis natin? Ay, Uy! Sam, saan ka ba nagpunta kagabi? Iniwan
to, mag-best friend na to eh.
No, I didn't. Maybe the moment wasn't right and I was waiting for him to say it first then. Susunod pa rin.
Sige, mag-antayan na lang kayong dalawa.
Sam! Anong kwento? Ha? May kwento ka ba?
May kwento ka ba? Si Luna talaga eh.
Talaga right time. Sasabihin ko na lang when everything's settled na. Pag official na, when I'm sure. I just had to go home. May emergency kasi sa bahay. That's all. Diba?
Parang di naniniwala si Luna eh.
Why aren't you answering my calls? Don't forget the party this Saturday, Maui. Yes, Mom. I'm coming with Sai. See you.
Hey, calm down. What did I say?
We're just gonna show up and bail.
Exactly. Paalala ko lang. Fiancé mo ako.
I know.
Kinikilig ako.
What do you mean?
Tara na, let's go inside now, okay?
Alam nyo, feeling ko, Aubrey found her love team talaga. Like, ang dami niya, di ba nga sabi nila Gab dun sa sa live nila, lahat sila naka-love team naka-pair na ni Aubrey, pero kay Lance talaga siya umokay.
You know, that's true. In fact, Sam will be graduating soon, and I'm sure I'm going to be able to convince you to follow in my footsteps, right?
Oh, a future politician? That's great. Someone to continue Senator Vera's legacy, and for sure, we will be working together.
Actually, I'm still figuring out what career I want to pursue. I'm thinking of something more in the arts. I've always had an interest in other fields, like modeling. Modeling?
Ayaw ng nanay niya eh.
Well, politics is more impactful. That's where real power is made, Sam. Alam mo naman to si Sam, she's just exploring her options. You know, the young ones today. But she'll come around.
That's right. Ako rin naman. I went to law first before I decided to become a businessman. It's okay.
I'm 90% decided, actually. I want to be a model. And I think it's a career that will make me happy and fulfilled.
Go Sam! You go girl!
Physics is
Sobrang proud naman yung niya, yung fiancé niya.
Kids now. Yeah, I'm sorry about that,
I'm proud of you. You're taking those steps to assert yourself.
Not gonna lie, I was nervous the entire time. I'm sure my mom is upset right now.
Well, let her be upset. It's your life to live, not hers.
Ayan na.
Help. Unit 6336. Why is she there? Bakit niya kailangan ng help? Naomi's asking for help.
So, ito yung umatan siya dun sa parang party yata to.
What the hell are you doing here? Where's Naomi? She's having fun. Relax. We're just celebrating her birthday. Naomi? Naomi!
What's up?
What the hell did you do to my sister, huh?
I was just talking to her. I came here to celebrate her birthday. Sabi kasi ng mga friends na she really likes me. I thought, why not make her happy? Diba?
Do you think she's fucking happy right now? Look at her!
Nakakainis yung lalaki.
Come on. We were playing truth or dare. We just dared you to stay in the same room with Jar for 30 minutes.
Shut up!
We're going.
Don't ever talk to my sister again.
Gusto ko yung ate vibes, tas kuya, Hmm.
Tell your parents. Tell your fiancé. I'm all alone by myself. Maybe it's better this way because the last time I had someone in my life, she died because of me.
Ay. Ganito pala yung feeling na
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're going through this. 18 years of existence. And half of it was barely living. I'm here for you. You're not alone. And I want you in my life, Naomi. You might not accept me now, but I hope that you will soon. And we'll get through this
grabe
together,
yung
okay?
iyak niya.
Remember, I'm your sister.
Yung kay Naomi, bumagsak na, yung kay Sam, hindi pa. Galing yung gumawa ng iyak. Akala ko masaya tong episode na to. Diyos ko, ba't parang pinapaiyak ako? Slowly. Baby steps, Sam. Baby steps. Alam nyo, kung pwede lang yung ibang namamatay dito sa story, wag patayin talaga. Sa book, wag patayin. Just like Sean. So, papatayin siya.
Thank you. I hope this makes your day a little bit better. Now you don't have to borrow my camera because you already have your own and it's even a newer model.
Ate.
Thank you. You're welcome. My little sister.
Sobrang heartwarming pala talaga siya. Like, guys, nahiyak ako. Lagi akong pinapaiyak ng Universe series, ha? Like, oh. Yes, Clyden.
Hey. How'd it go?
I thought it was hard. But we're getting there. Baby steps.
I'm so proud of you for being a big sister to her. You showed up. She needed you.
At least, hindi pa too late.
You needed
Pero,
a person.
too late pa din. Ah!
I love you.
Oh my God! Kamusta naman yung hindi makareact? Like, oh my God. Did he just said, I love you? Nakakaloka. Oh my God.
Special request. I can cook your bounty.
So, alam nyo ba last time, siguro sa buong duration ng mga episodes, hindi ko napapanood yung mga parang after clip ng POV ni Clyden. Pero this time, papanoorin ko na with the reaction. Kasi grabe yung kilig ko. If napapanood nyo ng buo yung mga vlogs ko, ang dami kong haka-haka, ang dami kong sinasabi. Tapos, at the end of the video pala, doon pinapakita yung POV ni Clyden, which is, yun yung mga questions ko. Na hindi ko na din na-film kasi kinikilig na ako sa gilid. But, here is it. Saka meron kasing background sound din kasi kaya hindi ko siya masama. So, ayan. 'Di ba? Habang nag-aaral siya, inaral niya din yung sushi na gusto ni Sam. And nakakatuwa lang na ito yung POV ni Clyden. Which is, I know from may POV naman talaga yung mga lalaki. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Gusto ko yung segue ko na gano'n. Pero ayun nga, ang galing lang. Kudos direct. Looking forward for episode, ano na ba tayong episode 7? And see you on my next vlog. Guys, pa-follow naman ng page ko, which is Ina Graziella. And on my social media accounts, TikTok or Twitter. Pero mas active ako sa IG, TikTok, YouTube, and hindi gano'n sa Facebook page. Pero if maka 1,000 likes ako doon, guys, alam niyo na. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!